How to fix Facebook Lite stuck on loading screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite stuck on loading screen on Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here you need to find Facebook Lite. Click on it and then click storage, and here click clear cache. Click on it and then click force stop, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just click this one, permissions, and enable all of those here, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.